Appeals in criminal cases, what are they? Now, if you have a trial and you don't like the outcome in your criminal case, can you appeal it and try and get a better result? The short answer is no, you can't. You cannot appeal your case just because you don't like the result. However, having said that, anyone found guilty after a jury verdict has an automatic right to appeal that conviction, whether you have an attorney or you don't. In this video, I'll provide you with a brief explanation of how the appeals process works. Hello folks, I'm Andrew Williams. This is another edition of the Fedora Lawyer. I'm board certified in criminal law with 30 years of trial experience behind me. On this channel, I'll share my years of experience with you to give you a better understanding of the law and maybe use it to your benefit. Now, as always, I provide general legal information on this channel, but the law may be different in your jurisdiction. You need to consult an attorney in your area to discuss the facts and circumstances about your particular case so you can get the proper advice on how to handle it. All right, so let's get started. Now, like I said, you can always appeal your conviction. In a criminal case, you don't even have to hire an attorney to do that. You get an automatic right to a first appeal after a jury verdict of guilt. But if you appeal your case in the hopes of getting a better outcome, just because you don't like the first outcome, it's not going to happen. Now, the primary purpose of the Court of Appeals is to correct any legal errors that may have occurred during the trial or the sentencing in your case at the trial court level. For example, did the trial court let in evidence that should not have been let in, that was very prejudicial to you? On the other hand, did the trial court keep out evidence that they should have let in, evidence that might have helped you? Did the trial court instruct the jury properly? Was there any misconduct on the part of the jury? Was the jury influenced by some outside source? This is what the Court of Appeals reviews when it reviews your case. It does not determine if you got the outcome you wanted. It determines whether the proceedings were in line with the prevailing law, regardless of the outcome. If so, the jury verdict will stand. If not, then the appeals court can remand the case back to the trial court, means sending it back to the trial court for a new trial, or possibly it could reverse the conviction and find you not guilty, but that is rare indeed. So in general, if you've been convicted of a crime, you have the absolute right to appeal your case, but don't expect it to turn out differently. Chances are you're not going to get anywhere with appeal, but you never know, and it won't cost you a penny to try. So that's a very short synopsis of the appeal process. If you like the video, hit the like button for me. Maybe somebody else will find it and find it helpful. If you like getting informative videos on legal topics like this, you can also subscribe to this channel. If you happen to be on probation, watch this video and it'll show you how to get off probation early. I always tell my clients, don't stay on probation the whole time. Not necessary. Get off early if you can. You can also find information on other legal topics by visiting my website at fedoralawyer.com. For now, this is the Fedora Lawyer signing off.